single week and almost every single day it seems that we're getting a Nike Dunk being released, whether it's a Nike Dunk High or a Nike Dunk Low. You know, they're completely saturating the entire market with Nike Dunks. And for good reason. I mean, they're popular, they sell out, they're normally really, really hard to get. But to be completely honest with you, I haven't been the biggest fan of all these colorways that are coming out. You know, like the ice creams and the milkshakes, you know, they're just not sneakers that I would put on my feet, you know, and wear around public and stuff like that. They're just not my style. But every so often, you know, they do come out with a Nike Dunk that does catch my eye, that I know that I need to get into my collection. So, you know, whenever I do see one, I do go after it. Now, they're really, really hard to get. I normally have to pay resale for them because, you know, catching a retail dub on a Nike Dunk is like few and far between. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing for the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. I'm going to do a full detail review for this sneaker, and then you know your boy's going to hit you with an on-feed as well. If any of you want to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can give me a follow over on Instagram. That's where I'm the most active outside of my YouTube channel. I do try to answer every single DM that I get. And then down there in the comment section of these YouTube videos, you know, if you leave me a comment, I do try to reply to every single comment as well. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I make sneaker content. And if you like videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so let's get into the unboxing for the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. Now, I'm not 100% sure when these are going to be dropping in the United States. I heard they're going to be dropping in November. I think November 13th was the date that I saw. I think these already dropped in other parts of the world. And I got these off of GOAT, and to be honest with you, the price was not bad for these. And normally Dunks, you know, they're hard to get. You know, they're not the easiest to cop for retail, so, you know, GOAT gets a lot of my money whenever I want a Nike Dunk or another sneaker. So, this Nike Dunk right here comes in your standard Nike red box with the white lettering. And the official size tag on this sneaker reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, black, goldenrod, white, and this is a personal pair size 8. Now, as soon as I open up the lid, here I got a GOAT sticker. And you have your GOAT verified authentication and quality control as well. Does come with white tissue paper, very plain and basic. And let's take our first up close look at this Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. BAM! But now that we unbox these sneakers and I'm holding them and I'm touching them and I'm soaking it all in, my first impression right out of the box, these are fire. Now, it's just a very clean, basic colorway with the black and the yellow, so nothing really extravagant or anything like that, but it is really classy in my opinion, and the materials aren't bad either. I mean, you just get this leather that's on it. It's just your basic general release Nike Dunk Low materials that you would have gotten on pretty much any other Nike Dunk Low that's released probably over like the last 2 to 4 years or so. I mean, it's not high quality leather, but it's not bad either. So I want to start off the review by giving you guys a full 360 look at this Nike Dunk Low. In case this is a sneaker that you want to purchase at a later date, this is exactly what we're working with and what exactly you'll get if you do purchase a pair. Inside of this sneaker, you will get this paper shoe tree stuff, you know, nothing really great. You know, nothing that you'd be able to really keep, I don't think. You know, I recommend getting some real shoe trees if you want to store them in like a sneaker case or something like that. Now, kicking off the review, you're going to get an all-leather sneaker, so all the parts where it's yellow and black is going to be leather, so there's not really a whole lot to go over there. But I know you guys really do like to look at the front toe box and see what the quality is like, so here's me pushing down on it, and it does have some play, does have some give. Doesn't feel like the highest quality leather or anything like that, but overall it's not bad. From a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 7. Then down here at the midsole, you're going to get an all-white rubber midsole that sits on top of that Nike Dunk Low Classic outsole in that goldenrod yellow. It does come with yellow laces on the sneaker. No other laces come attached to the sneaker or inside the box or anything like that. Then you do get a black nylon tongue, and then at the top of the tongue, you will get that Nike Air logo in yellow. Inside of the sneaker, you will get a yellow sock liner with a black insole with the Nike logo in yellow. And now taking a look at the back of the sneaker, you're just going to get a continuation of the yellow and the black. And then at the top of the ankle there, you're going to get that Nike lettering in black. Now when it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. So whatever size that you would typically normally wear in a Nike Dunk or an Air Jordan 1, that's the size that you're going to want to pick up here. I always pick up a size 8. These fit me perfectly just like everything else does, so definitely go true to size. But I want to know what you guys think, so sound off down in the comment section below. Are these a cop? Are these a pass? Are these dope? Or are these trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Before we get into the on-feed portion of the video, I just want to thank you all for your time. Thank you so much for the support. If you could you please smash that like button for your boy? And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed and you like sneaker content, you can stick around by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. Enjoy the on-feed portion of the video, guys. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah. Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a I don't care. Did the by my lonesome. No wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run. All I really want is my share. Get him, I got him, I told him it's nothing. In the discussion, all them feelings I throw all my pain on percussion. It's disgusting. I hear them bragging about that they did, and it do not move me, not in the least. They ain't been dropping no seeds in the soil, but swear that you on my spot at the feast. I've been on go mode, showboat, rowboat, wave ride. Cool shorty, too naughty, pool party, wet for the face ride. Annie up, penny down, hand me down, thrift store, old drip. New money, too funny, old shorty, talk about old. I'm on they now, can't get a pass now. I'm a cash cow, keeping it brash now. It's trash now, I'ma spaz out. I've been killing my lows and living on highs. You see in the skies the proof. You could just see in my eyes that there is no lies. I cannot disguise the truth. I've been ducked off, getting in my new merch, colored duck sauce on the new couch with my Chucks on. Get the on with that hate. I'm big cool on the small chat, cause I know now that I'm all that. Got a hawk guy on the ball cat, get the out of my face.
Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the